Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tidbits, specials, deals, and everything for a fantastic vacation. This season, we will be focusing on Disney, all things Disney, Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruises, and all the fun that is available on your Disney vacations. Now, Disney is a very, very popular location, but there are some special inroads that we as Disney travel agents have been able to make for you. So we're going to be suggesting the best times to go, when to get free meals, when to get your packages at discount rates, and of course, doing combinations that will include your Disney Orlando stay with your sailing on the Disney vessels out of Port Canaveral. This is setting up to be an absolutely amazing journey, and I want you to stick around for the ride. So, lace up your shoes, get your coats, get your sandals. This is a journey like nothing else. And by the way, when we speak of Disney, we are no longer limiting your experiences to the Disney property in North America, namely Orlando and California. We now have Disney in Europe. So we are really going to roll out a wonderful showcase with Disney Paris, and we will combine an Amma Waterway sailing with your Disney adventure. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to start with this first edition. So come along, let's go. I will introduce you and take you on a journey like none other. And remember, when you're booking with Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we are able to secure your trips up to 24 months in advance. What does that mean? It means you can space your payments out. It means you are able to now dream of that vacation like none other, knowing that with bite-sized payments, you will be able to make these dreams a reality. So Disney says, let the magic begin. Share Fantastic. We continue to remind you, we're all about the fun. Let's go and see what Disney has to offer, shall we?
The perfect complement to a Walt Disney World vacation is a relaxing voyage aboard Disney Cruise Line. By pairing the two, like magic, you'll enjoy an unforgettable family vacation and an adventure at sea. Enjoy legendary Disney service, spacious staterooms, world-class entertainment, and remarkable dining. The moment your family steps aboard, you'll be swept away by the fantastic experiences available both together or just the two of you. There are separate areas and activities for kids, tweens, and teens. But don't think for a moment that the kids are having all the fun. Adults can find relaxation around every corner. You can indulge in the finest of French and Italian cuisine. And of course, you'll discover new and exciting nightlife throughout your journey. With so many magical options, you'll find this truly is the perfect family vacation. With all of the exciting adventures on board, it's easy to forget you and your family have an entire world to explore. Just a short distance from Walt Disney World Resort, you'll set sail from Port Canaveral to warm, exotic destinations. Cast off to the pristine beaches of the Caribbean or navigate the clear blue waters of the Bahamas. On both voyages, you'll discover our private island paradise, Disney Castaway Cay. No matter your destination, there's plenty to explore. Best of all, nearly everything you could dream of is included in the price. From delicious Disney dining to quick service on deck, even 24-hour room service. On most cruises, there are also deck parties, incredible water slides, amazing Broadway-style shows, and Disney fireworks spectaculars. So get ready to set sail on a fairy tale, an amazing dream vacation your family will remember happily ever after. Enjoy the most magical vacation ever on both land and sea with Disney Cruise Line. To discover more, call 1-800-909-5427. Speak with your travel agent or visit disneycruise.com. Set sail on a voyage filled with entertainment, where every day brings a new kind of magic, with activities for cruisers of every age. Throughout the day, you can enjoy everything from character experiences for the whole family to special enrichment programs for adults. Each of our ships even boasts a sports deck full of athletics and recreational fun for everyone. Each night, you could experience excitement like Broadway-style shows, first-run movies, unique clubs, and the most magical fireworks show at sea. So take a seat in the Grand Walt Disney Theater as the curtain rises on the original Disney productions about to unfold. Or stroll over to the Buena Vista Theater to catch current films and some of your Disney favorites on the silver screen, including some in digital 3D. Step into the family nightclub where the dance floor is open to all ages and fun-filled game shows invite everyone to play along. And while teens can enjoy their own private parties at Vibe, adults can head out to unwind in exclusive clubs reserved just for them. Cool lounges, dance floors, great pubs, romantic escapes. It's the place where adults can kick back with live music, new friends, and no worries in the world. And so you won't miss a thing. Each day of your Disney cruise, you'll get a personal navigator that lists all the fun. Your personal navigator features a daily activity schedule, so you can see what's going on, including onboard fun like movie times, character appearances, and club hours, as well as in-port excitement, with options for kids, families, and adults. You can even download the free Disney Cruise Line mobile app to use on board and see your whole cruise at a glance. Dining aboard Disney Cruise Line is a never-ending delight of fresh, expertly prepared dishes made available to your family 24 hours a day. Featuring diverse menus inspired by some of the world's most intriguing destinations and themed restaurants brimming with charm, Disney Cruise Line invites you to enjoy some of the finest dining at sea.
Being a cruise line, we have the opportunity to travel all over the world and find the best products and dishes for our guests. And we'll create a menu around that. Because we change our menus each evening, we make everything fresh. Appetizers, choice of soups and salads, main courses, and then obviously a choice of desserts.
Adding to the excitement of Disney Cruise Line dining are the savvy servers who make your experience complete and completely unforgettable. Their personal touch makes mealtime extra special for guests on board.
The best part is the fact that they actually have their own personal wait staff that follow them from venue to venue. They get to know their guests, they find out their personal preferences in food and beverages, so that makes the whole experience so much better. I almost guarantee it that if you took a cruise with us, after 7 days on board, you're gonna want to bring your server and assistant server back home with you.
Beyond dinner time, an amazing array of food is available all around the ship 24 hours a day. And so much of it, from your quick service meals and sit-down meals to your snacks and room service, is included in the price of your cruise.
So whether you go to one of our main dining restaurants, or you would like to take advantage of 24-hour room service, or perhaps you have one of those between meal cravings, you might want to visit our quick service where you find beautiful freshly made pizzas, panini sandwiches, as well as healthy offerings like fresh cut fruit and salads.
For our adult guests, pairing your meals, or even an exquisite dessert or chocolate, with just the right wine can only enhance your enjoyment.
We really pay attention to every single detail. Every single plate that is put on the table, the silverware, the glassware, the glass of wine that's going to be paired with your dish.
For an absolutely superb food and wine experience, nothing compares to an adults-only meal at Palo or Remy.
Our sommelier on board Disney Cruise Line are a big part of our beverage program. Tasting a wine with a dish with the same flavor, the same acidity, the same balance will level the flavor of the dish and the wine. We do have a great selection of different wine. The best wine in the world will be the one you like.
With great wine and cuisine, and everything in between, your palate will be treated to the thrill of a lifetime. So get on board Disney Cruise Line today and come experience a taste of something special.
Dining with Disney Cruise Line is always innovative. We always try new things. We always work hard to improve. We improve our menus. We improve the design of the restaurant. We keep pushing ourselves to ensure that we provide a fantastic experience for all our guests.
One fantastic option you won't want to miss out on is our one-of-a-kind rotational dining, where you'll enjoy 3 deliciously different restaurants with the same servers at your side each night. With rotational dining, you can relax knowing the menu is full of yummy fun for everyone. So when you're craving a filet while your kids are chanting for chicken fingers, no one has to compromise. And let's not forget about the 24-hour complimentary room service, or the complimentary ice cream, coffee, tea, and sodas available on deck and in the restaurants. Then, just when you think things couldn't possibly get any better, they do. Because also included in your cruise fare is a wonderful world of entertainment. Let's start with entertainment for families, because when we're talking family, we're talking plenty of enchantment for the whole crew to experience together. Again, all included in the price of your cruise. So, head to the full-size movie theater to catch first-run films and some of your Disney favorites, including some in digital 3D. And be amazed by the sights, sounds, and songs of a different Broadway-style Disney musical each night. Then hit the deck for music and dance extravaganzas with crew members, Disney characters, and even fireworks. Don't forget those cameras and autograph books. Of course, if anyone in the family wants some time to go off and explore on their own, you'll find everything from adult-exclusive excitement like the Quiet Cove Pool, relaxing lounges, and thrilling dance clubs, to interactive kids clubs with the longest complimentary operating hours at sea, to private clubs where tweens and teens can hang out, dance, and make new friends. Yes, when it comes to your Disney cruise, the magic will delight you. What's included may surprise you. For a great big splash of magic, be sure to check out all the themed pools and watery wonders you'll find on each ship in the Disney Cruise Line fleet. There's something fun for everyone to enjoy. Depending on which ship you're aboard, you can take a ride on our first ever water coaster at sea, or brave our exciting 3-story body slide. Each attraction takes you on a thrilling ride over the side of the ship and back. Kids can also soak up the fun with geysers, bubblers, and twisting slides, while little ones can splash the day away at water play areas created just for them. For a more relaxed way to spend the day, take a dip in one of our fun-filled family pools that feature giant screens for enjoying movies under the stars. And adults looking for a tranquil escape, and stretch out in and around the exclusive Quiet Cove pool. From slippery slides and whirlpool spas to pop jets, fountains, and beyond, you'll find a world of watery fun from stem to stern on board every Disney Cruise Line ship. In the heart of the Bahamas, there's a lush little island where a touch of Neverland meets an entire winding beach of dreams coming true. This is Castaway Cay, perhaps the most magical island ever discovered. Exclusively for Disney Cruise Line guests, our private island escape is the ultimate destination for most Bahamian and Caribbean cruises that depart from Port Canaveral and Miami, Florida. On your Castaway Cay day, the ship pulls right up to the island so you can come and go as you please. Of course, with complimentary lunch, ice cream, and treats served just off the beach, you'll never really need to leave the island. But it's nice to know you can. On Castaway Cay, kids, tweens, teens, adults, and families all find magic made just for them. The Castaway Family Beach welcomes all ages to play. Set off on adventures around the island. Snorkel to discover hidden wonders. Slide and splash through Pelican Plunge. Have a blast at Spring a Leak. Grab a chair and relax by the sea. Or even treat your family to one of the private cabanas available to rent. Nestled just a little deeper on shore is Scuttle's Cove. At this sandy fun spot, supervised by Disney youth counselors, kids have a blast digging up all sorts of islandy excitement. Tweens and teens can explore experiences created just for them. From bicycle treks and kayak trips to adventures of all kinds. Teens can even just hang out at the Teens Only Hideout. Meanwhile, adults can savor paradise with their own hidden beach, Serenity Bay. A calm crescent of clear blue water and white sand that welcomes everyone 18 and up to unwind in style. With blissful escapes, seaside massage cabanas, relaxing swims along the shore, and much, much more. Experience your carefree Castaway Cay day on most of our Bahamian and Caribbean cruises from Florida. On your Disney cruise, you'll sail to some of the most amazing places on Earth. So we found some of the most amazing ways for you to explore them all. We call them Port Adventures. In every place we sail, from the Caribbean to Alaska and far beyond, we work closely with independent tour operators to make sure you can experience every port with reputable guides and locals who know it best. We've designed Port Adventures to be as flexible as possible with unique experiences that are great for families with kids of all ages. Different escapes themed for teens and adventures especially for adults. Of course, you can always explore the ports with excursions you book on your own, but we recommend booking Port Adventures through Disney Cruise Line. That way, the only thing you have to think about is having fun. Plus, there's the added security of knowing that if one of our planned port adventures runs a little late, your ship won't leave without you. Port adventures are a carefree way to explore all the wonderful places you'll see. We'll take care of the details. You just enjoy the magic. To the outside world, they appear as inviting verandas perched high above the ocean. Giant portholes shimmering with the sun's reflection on the sea. To you, they're your floating home away from home. Lucky you. The spacious staterooms of the Disney Cruise Line ships are designed with families in mind. Here you can stretch out or curl up in charming surroundings, appointed with rich natural woods and nautical details. Almost all offer split baths, so more than one person can get ready at the same time. Most have ocean views. Many include a private veranda. Whichever you choose, you'll enjoy personal space to spare and, of course, spectacular Disney service. Each ship offers its own complement of stateroom styles across a host of categories, from standard inside staterooms to deluxe family ocean view staterooms with verandas to concierge suites and more. Inside staterooms on Disney Dream and Disney Fantasy even include a special touch: magical portholes. And if you want to enjoy the most luxurious, most exclusive dining experience available on board, look no further than Remy on Disney Dream and Disney Fantasy. This adult-exclusive restaurant boasts the finest in French-inspired cuisine and a breathtaking selection of wines. Remy also features an elegant champagne brunch while the ship is at sea during 4-night and longer cruises. And since the kids' clubs are open late, after dinner, you can head to a lounge just down the way where they're sure to know your favorites. Or go catch the big game that's playing just around the corner. And next door, the music tempts you to kick up your heels on the dance floor, then kick back for a night you won't soon forget. If you choose a longer cruise, you'll have time to enjoy even more activities reserved just for adults. On select voyages, you can go behind the scenes to get a glimpse of some backstage magic and discover secrets of the Disney Cruise Line chefs that you can try at home. You can even indulge in cooking lessons, as well as wine, truffle, beer, and martini tastings. Spend your days doing as much or as little as you like while we sail. Disney cruises are about dreams coming true. And since every kid has a special dream of their very own, on every voyage, that's exactly what they get. And parents get the peace of mind that comes with knowing that when they're off enjoying some together time, their kids are being cared for in true Disney style. Fun-loving Disney youth counselors keep the magic happening morning, noon, and even late at night in magical places created especially for kids, with some of the longest complimentary operating hours at sea. Kids are checked in each day with special Mickey wristbands, and parents are always connected to their kids via onboard wave phones, so the kids are always just a call away. If you're traveling with little ones, our counselors still have you covered in our nursery, created just for kids 3 and under. And kids of all ages can enjoy a bit of fun in the sun alongside some famous friends. While aboard Disney Fantasy, Disney Dream, and Disney Magic, kids 3 and older can even enjoy magical makeovers at the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. But that's just the beginning. Located in the heart of the ship is a kids' paradise that stretches across nearly half an entire deck. Disney's Oceaneer Club and Disney's Oceaneer Lab, the 2 most amazing and enchanting ports of call for kids on all the seas. This is where kids do what they dream. From fairy tale fantasies to onboard adventures, children can live the magic of their favorite things in places where they can play at their own pace. There's always fun to be found with programs and experiences created to be as flexible as a kid's imagination. Naturally, some activities appeal more to certain ages, so kids and parents always get to decide which wonders to explore. Imagine pirate training from Captain Hook himself, sharing story time with a Disney princess, pajama parties at night, crazy science experiments during the day. All sorts of wonderful things happen here. Whichever cruise you choose, kids and parents are sure to set sail on a dream come true. Every day of your cruise, exclusive spaces and amazing entertainment give your tween and teen cruisers all the freedom they need to chart a course for fun. They get their own personal getaway, packed with some of their favorite tunes, video games, a lounge area, a dance floor, and atmosphere to spare. Welcome to Edge, where tweens 11 to 14 cruise the high seas, play video games, hang out, and get immersed in all sorts of custom-created adventures. Over at Vibe, teens 14 to 17 can gather to kick back, get away, party, and chill with other teens from around the world. With no little kids and no adults allowed, this is paradise at their own pace. And both areas are hosted by the coolest counselors at sea. On shore, the excitement continues with special tween and teen port adventures, as well as the Hideout, a teens-only activity area at our private island paradise, Disney Castaway Cay. Dreaming about adding a few extra days of escape before or after your Disney cruise? How about extending your vacation for a bit more exploring on your own? It's never been easier to do. Because if you're considering sailing from Port Canaveral, Florida, you can experience the best of Disney on land and at sea with a visit to Walt Disney World Resort. Imagine turning your cruise into the ultimate Disney vacation by combining it with a stay at a Disney Resort hotel, a visit to the theme parks, and more. With 4 enchanting theme parks, 2 exciting water parks, and Disney Springs, a Walt Disney World Resort vacation offers up something for everyone in your crew to do. Plus, it's just a short drive from the port. Or we can provide transportation to and from the port for you. And not only is there a Walt Disney World Resort hotel to fit just about every taste and budget, you'll find great theming, incredible pools, and world-famous Disney service at each one as well. To add some magic on land to your adventure at sea, book a Walt Disney World Resort vacation at the same time you book your Disney Cruise Line vacation. Anytime is a great time to take a Disney Cruise Line vacation. But during Halloween and the winter holiday seasons, you can choose from special themed voyages filled with festive parties, decor, and more. First up, pack your favorite costumes and get ready for happy haunts. Because during our Halloween on the high seas cruises, from mid-September through October, you'll discover magical mischief for everyone, including Mickey's Masquerade Party, trick-or-treating, a villainous nightclub takeover, and more. Then, from early November through Christmas, Disney Cruise Line will deck the decks with joyous fun for the whole family. On our very Merry-Time cruises, you can enjoy visits with Santa and the Disney characters in their holiday vest, plus a Winter Wonderland ball, a tree lighting ceremony, and beyond.
Ahoy everyone, Ray Smale here, Cruise Director for Disney Fantasy. As you discover all the magic that comes with taking a Disney Cruise Line vacation, just remember how easy it is to plan one. There are really just a few steps and they can all be completed at disneycruise.com. Step 1. Select your travel party and the dates you'd like to sail. See? Already super simple. Step 2. Decide where you want to go. From the Bahamas and the Caribbean to Alaska, Europe, and beyond, you've got a wonderful world of destinations to choose from. And you can select from departure ports in amazing locations around the globe as well. Step 3, just click on that handy Find Prices button and voila, results. And that little arrow there, well, clicking on that lets you see each available itinerary based on your search. Finally, select your cruise and choose the stateroom that fits your family. Some prefer inside rooms, some enjoy an ocean view, others want a veranda. Once you've completed those steps, you're pretty much in ship shape. But we're always here to help if you need us. So visit us online, call us directly, or contact your travel agent for answers to all your questions. Oh, and when it comes to payment, relax. You only need to pay the deposit upfront to book your Disney cruise. Final payment isn't due until closer to your sail date. And remember, one of the best things about a Disney cruise is that nearly everything you think of when you take a vacation is already included in your fare. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, entertainment, and more. So a quick recap for planning your Disney cruise. Select your travel party and sail dates. Decide where you want to go and pick your departure port. Choose your cruise. Let us cruise. Select your travel party and sail dates. Decide where you want to go and pick your departure port. Choose your cruise. Let us help. And most importantly, relax and have fun.
Now, our first presentation was just to whet your appetite for all things Disney. And as we continue in this series, you're going to find some wonderful eats and treats all across Disney parks as well as Disney Springs. We wanted to take advantage of your park hopper tickets and also the benefits of staying at a Disney property. The next few presentations will be dedicated to some serious gastronomical treats. And so I will suggest that you sit tight and ensure that you do not miss any of these presentations. If you like what you've seen so far, we like your like, so like us. Subscribe as well to our channel and give us a call. We are Sheri-Fun Travels and Resorts Limited. You may call our international number 347-757-6728. Locally, you can get us on digicel at 527-4098, and our office number is 726-3897. Remember, at Sheri-Fun Travels and Resorts Limited, we are all about the fun. Ciao for now.